So thank you again. As what Professor Sayre mentioned, that we are so excited to have our 6 new partners with us, including Compax Technology, Intel, who joined us from Shanghai, HP, and Pangyun, as well as Povista and UMAC. So this is so exciting, though. We're really glad that we now become partners. Just want to share with you that perhaps that you know a little bit about our department and the university. Electrical engineering is very diverse and very inclusive, though. I always say that almost anything that you could think of is in electrical engineering. It includes the hardware and software, and includes a lot of those advanced and high-speed electronic and photonic devices. We build sensors, also involve some sensors in the bioelectronics area. And we have a lot of the power systems activities, including communications and network, as well as all the soft side with the machine learning, AI, as well as the Internet of Things. We also recently created combining AI and Internet of Things, and then it becomes AIoT. And this is part of the main theme of a program that Professor Wei Zhang has established, that we try to educate or engage the high school students. Even though they are in high schools, we want to get them excited about the engineering and technology, and we use AIoT as a platform to do so. So we just recruited 100 gifted, very talented students, high school students, to join us with this education program. Our faculty are very active and they are excellent researchers. And not only that they're doing research, but they also engage in development. So many of them are very active in technology transfer. And over the years, we have over 32 million of income to the university just because of the licensing fees that we collected through our inventions in the department. Talking about excellent researchers, RGC, the University Grand Council, recently did an exercise trying to assess the research excellence of the activities at different universities, at the 8 major universities. We believe that EE, electrical engineering, there are 5 universities that has electrical engineering in Hong Kong. We believe that we are the best. If we take into account of the research output from our faculty, we take into account of the impact of our research by our faculty, and also we look into the environment that the department and the university provides, and then also taking into account that we have the largest number of faculty in EE among all the other universities in Hong Kong. If we consider all these elements together, we are actually ahead of all the other universities, all the other EE departments in Hong Kong. So we are very, very proud of that. It shows that our faculty are indeed very active and engaged. Not only engaging in their own research work, but engaged with the industry. We hope that through the engagement with the industry, that we can have a lot of activities and projects that includes our students as well as our faculty, various projects, internships, and also recently ICT and ITC and ITB are very active in trying to get more of our young students to be more active in technology and engineering. This is something that I'd like to share with you. ITF projects is one of the indicators that how active our faculty is in terms of working together with the industry. We just look at the recent funded, supported, successful ITF projects that we have. We listed 13 projects and with close to 25 million of research funding from ITF. And you can see that our faculty, or many different faculty, and they either engage in some of the midstream projects, the seed projects, and some other special core projects related to the prevention of the coronaviruses, and then also other categories as well. So not only that, there's one more project that we haven't listed here because now we are working out the paperwork. We have a platform research project that will be funded shortly, and that will bring our total project of the recent years to 14, and then with the amount of that will be over $30 million. So it shows that how active that our faculty are always and working. All the ITF projects are the ones that, one is that has some industrial connections, two is that it has the potential, or it is already in the process of being able to be commercialized or make into some potential products. So we hope that through our working with our partners that we can actually create more joint projects together, so that we can actively put the research outcomes and make it into a reality. Now, recently, just last month, there's another round of call for ITF proposal, and again, our faculty in the department are so active in submitting the proposal. We submitted, I just have a quick count. We submitted 14 proposals together, including the seed projects, like what you see here, some platform projects, and also some joint projects between mainland and the Hong Kong partners. Not only the 14 projects that our faculty has submitted, we have two more projects that has a partnership with the company that goes into the 50% scheme. So our faculty are indeed super active in engaging with the industry. This is one of the big projects that we have recently. It's being headed by Professor Hong Yan. This is his photo here. This is funded also by ITC. It's the Indo-Hong Kong project. And this project is more focused on the multi-dimensional data analysis, and really exciting opportunities for a lot of the collaboration, not only among different researchers in Hong Kong, overseas, globally, and also have a main objective of engaging the industry in this Indo-Hong Kong large project. The project is over 200 million. Now, this is the last slide that I have. We would like to, of course, are very excited to engage with you as our new partners. And for each one of our partners, we assigned a faculty to be your liaison. We hope that through the close connection with our faculty liaison that we can really take some actions and not just having a ceremony. So I listed our faculty liaison, and they are all here, including Professor Lin Dai, who's at the corner, Professor Lin Dai, who we have assigned her to work with both complex technology as well as with HP. Professor Henry Zheng, Henry also is at the back here, who actually will work closely with Intel as well as UMac. And then we also have Professor Michael there, even though he's doing a lot of administrative work, but we also engage him in ED. So Professor Michael there will work closely with Peng Yun. And then we have also Alan. Alan, even though he's doing so much work, but we still want him to help us even more. So Professor Alan Lam will work closely with Provista. So we hope that as you later, we will actually get together and talk more about all these close collaborations that we will have various training and equipment for students, and whether we can create internship or co-supervised project, or we can have a new program that's called Joint PhD program, that the PhD students can spend part of the time with the companies and part of the time at the universities, and then they jointly put together the projects so that they can complete the PhD thesis together. A various training, and we also would like to get some of our students to visit your companies, because they like to be able to be in touch with you and actually know a little bit more about what the different companies are doing. We also will talk to you a lot more, because I know that you're looking for human resources, the manpower. So with that, we want to get our students well prepared and trained for them to start as future leaders in your companies. So we will engage our partners in terms of how our curriculum or our education programs will be developed, and then we like to be able to do joint projects together with different funding opportunities. There are some that we engage heavily in contract research as well as consultancy. We mentioned before that we are very active in licensing our technology, as well as some of those startup opportunities. So with that, that's all I want to mention today. And welcome again. This is very, very great to have all of you here. And we would look forward to having a lot more activities that we work closely together with you. Thank you, everybody.